Jews interact among one another. They're very jocular. That, especially when there's a larger non-Jewish situation, the group of Jews clustered together, they'll be horsing around, telling jokes, whatever. And sometimes even in the most, I don't want to use inappropriate context, but a context in which it requires a certain amount of decorum. Jews don't show that kind of decorum in that. And it's part of sort of their way of being Jewish. It's part of they know that they're among their own, and they can behave with codes that are appropriate among their own. I know as growing up, you'd go to services on Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, and one of the things you were ready for was the key joke that the rabbi would make as part of his speech. I'm not sure how much that's used in non-Jewish services, how appropriate that would be. I don't know, but it's certainly very appropriate in sort of North American Jewish service to have that. To this day, months later, a number of us within the community retell the joke that the president of the congregation made on Yom Kippur. That was an absolutely brilliant joke, and it's that lingers with us.